Join me here on a floor that is not mine, but surrounded by a Kirby, which now is, because I'm here at the house of Mr.
Parwaz786.
Mr. Parwaz786. Go check out his channel. We've had a lovely afternoon. We've done lots of videos, but now I'm doing a normal one because he has given me this Kirby.
Sentria 2.
Sentria 2, and today we are going to go through it. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? You join me in sunny Birmingham. Well, I've had a lovely afternoon with Mr. Parwaz's collection, and we've had Bob Machine's review, so this will be on his channel.
2 minutes to list.
The video that's filmed in the air, he's not quite sure of the pace. But we've done DC17, DC03, Hoover Pure Power, DC15, Sanitaire, Dyson, what was that cylinder?
21.
DC21, lots. But no, this is actually the reason I'm here, because I've swapped the Miele S7 that you were the last seen on 12 vacuums in 12 months for this about a year ago. Now I'm finally here, ready to look at it. So what do I have?
You've got the Sentria 2 with pretty much everything you can get, apart from the stretch hose, which isn't optional.
Yeah,
a zip brush and a shampoo bottle, but you pretty much got everything else. So.
Fair enough. So what age is the Sentria 2? You did tell me, 2012.
Yeah.
So and obviously I had these messages a lot. I don't know a lot about Kirby's, so we're going to get comments regardless. But it looks fairly good. I mean, it's in the usual finish they go to just after years of not really being cleaned until they fall into people like ours hands. Yeah. There's a bit of damage on here.
There's chew marks on it from
it's
possibly a dog or something.
Been chewed, but I'll be honest, that it holds the bag.
It's just cosmetic.
Yeah, it's just cosmetic. And it's very, very nice. It's also got tech drive, which I'm quite looking forward to.
Yeah.
Obviously, my ones don't, and it is quite noticeable. So let's go through the tools quickly and see just what I have and what I'm missing to make this completely complete.
Yeah, those of you Kirby experts in the comments, just let us know if we're missing anything, because I'm not an expert either.
Yeah.
Just let you know.
I mean, all the Kirby's come in roughly the same stuff. So we've got the shampoo tank, the suds hose, the cap.
I've actually used those.
Fair enough. I used to use it because I used to shampoo my rug. That's the brush roll holder, isn't it? Or the goes on the head.
And the head with the belt in it as well.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Again, that hasn't changed since my legend one that I used for the video. Where does this bit go? I mean, I'm not quite sure where this bit goes. Oh, yeah. Carpet fluff. Oh,
basically, if you got this one with the brush bar, it's just carpet fluffer.
Because on the older ones, you got a completely different brush roll, didn't you, for the carpet fluff? And they obviously realised that it's easier just to use the same one. Yeah. Well, there's even the tray, which I don't think anybody ever uses to store the thing on to dry. So there's all the wet stuff. That's good. We shall do a video because I've got those of you who remember way far back. Was it the Heritage? One of the Kirby tools I got. The big eBay job lot tools had a box of subs in it, and I've still got half that left, so I might have to fish that out, or just buy some new. But it's not expensive, is it, on eBay for Kirby subs? So yeah, we shall look at that. What else do we have? Well, Mister, let's just chuck it in. It's only going to go in the car and fall over on the way home. So he's dedicated. This is the man knows it goes in a certain way, and my goodness, it will go in a certain way. Lovely. That can be stacked up with the shampoo set from my other ones barely being used, because let's be honest, that's what you do when you got a Kirby, isn't it?
Yep. So
I'll pop that to one side, and we'll see what small tools we have. We've got the blower. I always not like these because they don't have.
There's not enough pressure in it. It's just.
And then you can just hear that scream when it suddenly hasn't got the airflow. So I've never been a massive fan of those. We've got the hose, that's cool, because I doubt the hoses that I've got are going to fit this, are they?
We've got like tools inside the caddy as well.
Yeah.
So we've got the curve handle with suction control.
Yeah.
Airflow control.
We have two ones, which are actually, have these even been used? You probably can't tell off the angle, but that's pretty mint in there.
Yeah. Spray gun.
Yes, a spray gun. I won't put it on back to front this time, don't you worry. We have the combination, it's just a floor tool, isn't it? Yeah.
Got the handheld handle.
Yes, you convert it to an handheld. We have the rubberised dusting brush. The crevice tool with the brush bit on there.
It's like a wood brush.
I was just about to say I think this is a wall brush,
Yeah.
because when you put it on like that, not that I have to say I vacuum my walls thunderously often.
Who vacuums the walls anyway?
No, I don't. All the massage of attachment, the upholstery brush, and the bit that you put on when you use it as a blower, just to stop your hand from going in there. So,
it activates speed controls on it.
oh, it does, doesn't it? Yes, because so is that dual speed?
Yeah, it's dual speed. I think all Kirby's are from a certain.
So I've not had a modern one for a long time.
Yeah. So it just goes in there. There's two buttons. One's low and high.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, cool. Well, there we go then. So we'll get all this boxed up, and well, we'll have a closer look at the machine itself.
Yep. Right. So now we're gonna test the Kirby.
Well, yes, because we need to make sure it works before I can leave it here.
I'm not gonna do it. He's gonna do it because it's his machine now, and he's a guest. So
That is fair enough. So I'm assuming it's actually identical to every other Kirby I've used. I had a G5 once. Was it G5 I had or G4?
G5.
G5, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, fairly simple. We'll turn it on. There's the toe touch control. And obviously I'm used to pushing it like this because my Kirby's haven't got the Tech and boy does Tech make the difference. Everything seems to work fine. There's a little bit of transmission snap, but
Yeah.
you can rebuild that, and that'll be interesting.
Can you?
Wouldn't it? So I'm not too well again. You can just ignore it, and it works absolutely fine.
Yeah. True.
But it's amazing how much easier it makes it to move with that tech drive.
Mine's actually noisier than yours because it makes that noise when you go back and forth.
Oh yeah, they're not happy when they're dry, are they? But yeah, it seems okay. It's got handbag in it.
Which is the F-Style original bag.
Yes, I had to get something. Can you retrofit these to the older models, Kira? I'm sure I've
The
seen
connection's
you-
different.
You have to do the whole field tube, don't you?
Yeah, you have to change the field tube actually.
Might have to look at that. But no, that is pretty awesome, and yeah, 5 new Kirby.
So that sums up the Kirby video.
Yeah, I thought I would have a little guest for my first look before video, so thank you very much, man.
You're welcome.
Very much appreciated. You'll probably see this again at some point. Can't promise it'll be high priority, but hey, I have been.
Yeah.
In fact, Mum's moving house soon,
Oh yeah.
so maybe this, because all my other Kirby's are boxed away, maybe I might give this just a quick wipe down and use it.
Yeah, show it.
Get some new belts, do a last clean and the first clean maybe, because it's probably the deepest cleaning, most powerful vacuum that I've got now, I can think of. So yeah, thank you very much. Firstly, Mr. Teo, for giving me this. Don't forget to check out his channel, link below.
Please do.
Thank you for watching, and me and this Kirby, and on his own channel, Mr. Parwaz. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.